Okay, geographers, I've got some data here in a CSV file, okay, a comma separated value file. So instead of doing file save as Excel, I've done file save as CSV. I've got my lat and long. I went to Google Maps and I clicked on Google Maps and that gave me the lat and long, or I used an app, Gridpoint GB I think it's called. It's quite a good one and that shows you where you're stood. So I got the lat and long for those. I went to 10 different sites and I measured various factors, but today we're going to be looking at these end 3 columns. We're going to make a pie chart using the percentage, sand, silt and clay composition of the soil. So these add up to 100. Each row adds up to 100. These could be primary, secondary and tertiary sectors of industry, just anything really that you can present in a 3 or more for a pie chart. Okay, so I've file saved that as a CSV file. Let's go to ArcGIS. I'm going to go to layers. I'm going to add a layer from file. I'm then going to select that CSV file. I'm going to import the data. It's going to check that I'm happy with the data. I'm just going to say yes, it's checked which is lat and long. So my Y column, the column I called Y was my latitude and X was my longitude in Excel. I'm just going to give that a different name and then I'm going to add that to my map. Now ArcGIS will superimpose that on the map and then we can start to turn that data into a pie chart. So this will depend on your computer speed, internet connection. Okay, there we go. So that's quite good. I can see some dots in my 2 transects at my school site. But what I'm going to do first of all is add a field. And the 3 fields I'm going to add are the sand, silt and clay ones. It's going to have a think and it's going to predict that I'm going to use this category, but actually the way I'm going to present the data is using charts. So I click on charts and straight away you can see that I've got my pie charts. If I want to faff around a little bit more, I can go into style options. I can change the colors. I can change the outline width, the transparency. I can make the pies bigger. Okay, I can have big pies. I can have medium-sized pies and I can have smaller pies. So you can faff around with that. I can have donuts. I can have somewhere in between. I can change the whole size in the middle of the donut. I think I'll just stick with a pie for now. Okay, so done and done. And then I can save that on the left, or I could just screenshot it and put it into Word, a Word document, say if it was my project or whatever. I might want to change the base map on the left to imagery. Okay, because I might decide that's more appropriate. You know, if I'm looking at vegetation cover or something, I might do it that way. But that's how you do pie charts in the new version of ArcGIS. Hope that's helpful. Okay, bye-bye.